गोंयाक कुशळटाय प्रशिक्षण केंद्र म्हूण विकसीत करपाक राज्यांत आंतरराष्ट्रीय पांवड्या वयली कुशळटाय प्रशिक्षण संस्था स्थापन करपाचो विचार आसा अशें मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी सांगलां. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
So this seminar is organized for awareness, also to explain and have a communication with industry partner, all of you. What are the benefits of these schemes for implementing the benefit fee for you and all other stakeholders, trainees. And we have to take forward this with your support, your cooperation, your help, because nothing is possible just we go as a government department. So I appeal on behalf of my department, on behalf of the government state of Goa, for you to spread this message to all your partners, to all your colleagues. Let us come forward to achieve our goal, achieve our vision. Honorable Prime Minister, which is has announced the flagship program of the PMKVY. Also this apprenticeship Pakwada is celebrating from 30th to 16th all over the country.
Over to NSDC today is basically to create one integrated skill development institute in the state of Goa, which will be a multi-skill training institute looking at trades, the sectors which would be relevant to Goa, for the people of Goa and the people around Goa who can come and get skilled on world-class standards. We're looking at foreign collaboration wherever possible within this institute. The models which we are looking at is probably the Singapore model of skilling here.
Government of Goa is very serious, and we have got another 2.5 years in this term, and as a result of which I was just thinking and seeing how we can integrate our efforts and move forward. First, talking about the industry, is that I was just suggesting that in the month of December or quarterly we can have a conclave of all the proprietors and all the heads of all the organizations that exist in Goa that have been employing a large number of people. But every time we come across in the newspaper is that there's sufficient candidates with the skills that are expected are not available. As a result, the gap that needs to be filled up, that needs to be done, and upskilling of also the candidates, and also to make them more employable in the companies. We were talking about apprenticeship Pakwada today, for which we are all present here and giving information about the schemes of the Government of India. But same time in Goa also, I find on a regular basis that many companies take the apprentice boys on apprenticeship, and then after they terminate them, the period is over. But there should be some sort of a system where I'm not even talking about 10%, I'm not even talking of 15% that is proposed. I'm talking of at least 2% or 2.5%, those people should be evaluated. So we were just talking whether through Government of India, after getting clarification on the way forward, suppose a person is working in X company, there can be some sort of a joint certification of that boy after he completes his apprenticeship course, so that we are able to make him employable.